back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm here in Okay. Today is 20 pesos pixel. I see you guys. Here, pixel. Look the people. Just only here. Front of 7-Eleven in Cathedral Church. So let's go in the inside. Okay day. And tomorrow is big sale. See, a lot of people guys buying the okay. Deal, nice dress. See. So I'm looking for my okay guys. I will try for long. Inside. And big okay here, big store. So let's go. I look for okay. Daghan pa na ganito dayo. Oh, ana tao sa bandor. 20 pesos.
Paana guys, titi na atong kalibo.
20 pesos only.
Paana 20 ra siya guys.
Yeah.
Pag 20
Tingog yun.
Oh.
Kaya mo pinilian, makuha ko na sa lain. So now I will go to the cashier guys. Thing is almost 200 pesos.
So guys, 200.
200. Let's go and look guys. Still a lot of people here. Okay. I'm done for okay for today guys.
Guys, happy to sa ako sunod magdala na mix sa ako.
Speak English.
No, next time I'll get
She's bring the
for
sauce,
the
guys.
okay in English okay man.
And the Philippines is very famous the okay guys. And just only 20 pesos. Ano? Akong payong guys.
Asa di utang?
Ito na ko.
Very good. Tala. Like that. Wala kita na kung payong. Tala.
Siguro to dito.
I
forgot my umbrella guys. Sige. So I'm walking guys for going to the Gansero.
Okay guys. Panas mo na kami na yung mamaligag ko kay Ukay.
And okay in the Philippines. Very famous. Wait. Just a moment. Ay! With B. Marie, but she's not single guys, she's a taken.
Yeah.
She's a taken, right? B. Marie?
Yes.
100%. She's a taken. Big hair, their side. And their side. Going to ground zero. Oh, yung survive so fast. We have a new building. Ha? I'm walking here for going to ground zero guys. I saw you guys. There's Bahia guys. Bahia restaurant. We have balcony their side of Bahia. I saw the name. Nice sign. Oh. I think that's my order. Their side have the bar. Their balcony and look. If you look the road, it's nice here. You have balcony and let's go to the inside. Ouch. Okay. Mostly Saturdays come down here. Except for the name Bahia Dumaguete. And there, Bahia Restaurant Bar. At the view. It's nice, huh? Nice. After the okay guys, and I eat here in Bahia. Open. Their side have the bar. So guys, I'm done for eating in Bahia. So now I'm here in Evermall. I buy for the charger to my phone. So I saw you guys. Let's go. Their side Evermall. I will buy the charger. Hello. Day na may charger ani day?
Naangon.
Okay. Hi. What is your name?
Elsa.
Elsa. Elsa?
Elsa.
Where are you from?
Sibulan.
Wow. How old are you?
19.
19? You're the first time working here?
No.
Because I always buy her.
I'm new here. Mag-start po ako po on Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Okay, day. Bye.
Kanin ma'am na to 399 din ako tag 499.
Okay, patry, day.
Asaan yun?
Kanang 399? 399. I can promote the store. What's the name of the store, day?
Bluetooth store.
Bluetooth store? Bluetooth? Oh, okay. Stop that study, day?
Oo.
Why?
One, nangita sa kag-work.
Ah, for looking at siya. Ah, it's good. Nice, good. Ano na? Fast charger? Ah, okay. Ang paunday. Okay.
Kanar mo?
Oo. 399. So, 400 na. Okay. What time for the open here?
9.
9 o'clock? Okay. And then close?
6.
6 p.m.? Oh, okay. And your duty here is every day?
Oo.
No, day off.
Sunday.
Sunday? Oh, okay. Thank you, Isa. Hey, you promote the store. Because I have the subscriber for looking for like a cell phone or charger. So, ganda yung ngalan sa store. Wala yung ngalan, no?
Wala.
But it's so easy because next to the what to call that? Fashion shop. Yeah, it's so easy to find. Thank you. Ay, saan? Bet. I'm done, guys, for buying the charger. So now I will go home na. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye-bye. I will continue, guys, later. Bye-bye. The name of Cher Chocolate. Cacao. Name of chocolate store, guys. Chocolate store, I see. Yeah. Ay, napaliri. Ano, that only, okay, stock. Okay. It's a lot. First time.
You don't have milk, no chocolate? Well, you do have all that one, okay.
No. And their side.
What are these here?
This is bonbon, sir. Milk chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Is it milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
That is the bakery, guys. That is. Coffee latte, guys. Good for the partner for the bread. So, see you there. Yes, apple cinnamon, guys. For dessert. So, I saw you later the bakery here in Valencia. So, see you there. Coffee shop. So, let's go.